Yasho bafethu lo mfanele ungadla amatrothozo zamalesi mangiqhipha iphola abantwana bayakhala bathi bethu uzongithola kwi-taxi sengisifuzele iPepsi and I go by the name of Pepsi and we out here at the link up and I'm with my beautiful sister here. So let's introduce this swam.
Sanibonani guys, la ngikhuluma noTutuzile Mnisi, well known as Tutu RSA, and Slana to link up. Sizokhuluma with each other, like we're having a conversation and stuff. So, yeah.
Okay. Come on, Tan.
Nandi boy.
Oh, mina ngiyabuza ukuthi come on.
Oh, come on, come on.
Angisafuni. Maka ngikrent Tan. Tan kusitshela ngawo ukuthi like ubani uTutu beside the social media side, yabo. Like ibekele eceleni. Yeah, and tell us more about yourself. Ukuthi ubani, khulelaphi, and your dance chain. Where it started, like yeah.
Guys, Tutuzile. Ngahle. Tutuzile ne? Tutuzile Mnisi. Umuntu osithandela ukujiva, yabona. Umuntu kind, umuntu calm. Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, and ngikhulele eSoweto, ngikhulele endaweni eziningi eSoweto, Protea, Orlando. Yeah.
Orlando kuphi?
Orlando West.
Orlando West.
Hayi
bengakwazi mina.
Angicabi maqala.
Angikhulele Orlando West.
Kampela. Uzivalela ngithi yiko bengakuboni.
No, like mina ngidlala ibhola yabo. Wena manje ukujiva mina ngidlala ibhola.
Sho ukuthi ama levels awafani yabo.
Ufuna kanjani?
Obvious, bodlala ibhola mina bengijayi.
Mara sonke namhlanje la.
Ngithi yacaba.
Hawu. Sana manje ngitshele ke like wena ungaze kanjani kahle umaze lapho phezulu kahle ngifuna angaze kubuze. Ufuna ukwazi.
Honest, ngikwaze kanjani?
Ngibuze.
So uPhesi ntana.
Nje.
uPhesi ngabona i-video yakhe ku Instagram, ne? Yeah, like ntana like yajiva yo. Yajiva. So like na comment ku video yakhe sahlangana nase So2 Finest this other day angisakhumbula bekuni but sahlangana sharp. Saba bangani kanjalo and then kwaqhubeka ke phambili.
So like when ngicale nini ukujiva?
Yo. Ngisakhumbula maka like lento isegazini guys. Yo, like I would say like it's in the family. Yabo ngoba like ngathi wonke umuntu kithi yakwazi ukujiva. Yabo. So yeah, like isegazini. No yacaba uyamazi ukhulekani?
Ngiyamazi ukudakho. Na yajiva.
Uyu umuntu futhi wangifundisa ukujiva. Mina guys bengakwazi ukujiva like properly but uye umasterpiece wangifundisa ukujiva.
Oh, ufundisiwe.
Yebo.
Hayi into krele.
Mara segazini ntwana.
Okay.
Yeah.
So dancing kuwena is it a hobby or you took it more serious now?
Yo, I would say like ngithatha serious dance yo, cause like it means a lot to me yo. Like yangijabulisa guys mangijiva yo. Like ngiyajabula yabo. So yeah, I would say like I take it serious.
Okay, what made you take dance serious?
Yo, nothing. Ukubona like namntwana ne, to be honest. Nami yo i-role model yami akaMomphela yabo.
kaMomphela.
Yeah.
Shout out Kamo.
Yeah. So like ngiyamthanda ukaMomphela yo, ngiyamthanda intombazane leya ngiyayithanda. So like being honest, I want to be like her when I grow up.
Sure.
Yabo. Yeah, that's why I'm taking it serious. Ngiyabona ukuthi like mongayithatha serious unga yakude yabo ngayi dance. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So when like most pegile, how do you see yourself unique from other dancers? Because now much have there's a lot of dancers.
Ish.
But then when as Tutu RSA, how do you see yourself different from the others? Yeah.
Lento asiyenze ngoba sifuna ukuyenza nje lento isegazini yabo. So like yiko ngathi ngizibona different ngaleyo ndlela. And like
Nakuzwa.
yeah, asijive ngokufana guys. Yabo. So yeah.
I need to still in school.
Yeah.
So please don't tell me, tell them, how do you balance school and dancing? Yeah.
It's hard yo. It's hard but like we balance.
Njani?
Ish maqala yo.
or awenza ama homework?
No, ngiyawenza ama homework ne.
Yeah.
Okay. Lento simple. Lento simple. How do I balance school and dancing? Like school time is school time, and then dancing maybe after school and all of that. If I have homeworks first, and then dancing after. Yeah.
Okay. Ngiyakuzwa mina. So wena since you dancer since ukhula, like growing up you've been a dancer. So have you ever like felt like giving up or something?
Oh, a lot.
So kwenzakalani? Sitshele phela.
Ntana. It's like mina being honest, oh. Yeah.
Like that's so sitshele khona ukuthi yeah now like nah.
Okay,
dance
like
cuts. I'm nice
ne.
now, like cut me off. Social media, like you don't wanna see yourself posting any videos, you don't wanna see yourself on the media collaborating with other dancers, like cut. Like it's shy now.
Yeah. Like ngiyazona like umuntu mazo compare nomunye umuntu yabo.
Oh.
Yeah, angazi ukuthi
this one is better than this one. Oh yeah.
So yeah. Enye into ekile yangenza ukuthi you know what? Hayi ngiyayeka mina lento ngoba too much drama futhi inethi yabo. Like ifuna umuntu
strong.
Yeah.
Strong.
Yeah, so like ine drama futhi inama challenges yabo.
Sure.
So ngifile ngathi nga give up like a lot of times, but then ngabuya futhi emandleni ukuthi khumbula ukuthi ubuyaphi yabo.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, that's why.
So since you've been dancing there and now we public figure and ngiyabona like to RSA. So mina personally, please tell me like which artist or choreographer or brand would you like to work with?
I would like to work with Nike, guys.
Nike.
Yeah, Nike and Adidas.
Adidas.
Yeah.
Japan.
Yes.
And any choreographers or artists?
Yo, Kamumpela. Okay, Kamumpela. Uncle Waffles and who? Yeah, yabantu look up to.
Sure.
Like now, for now. Yeah.
So like like if you are not dancing and stuff
Maqala kunini ungibuza imibuzo ozami nakubuza imibuzo.
Ngikubuza le kamagcina
Okay.
It's ngingasakubuzile vele le. So what was your biggest like moment like ongeke uyikhohle since you started with your dance career? So like biggest moment ongeke uyikhohle like yeah like nabantwana bakho batshela ukuthi yo sanami ngenzakale sona like best moment
the first time
like, yeah,
meeting uKamumpela, yo, I would never forget that moment. I would never. And I love that moment so much. So yeah. Yo, ngenhliziyo yami yonke like ngisasemncane ntwana. Tjana ngisasemncane bengibukela like
shout out Kamu.
Ish.
Danko. Ish. Ngangibuza mina.
Afeli. So Percy. Sitshela ukuthi ukhule
kanjani?
Sitshela ukuthi ukhule kanjani? Like ubani Percy?
Percy.
Yeah, ubani Percy?
Like
Qale ningokujive uPercy. Yabo, izinto ezinjalo.
Why are you asking me what I asked you?
No, but they wanna know also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, uPercy Martin. Ish. Just a simple boy, bro. Bro, simple. Nah, I'm not too much, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, Percy is just a simple boy. Okay, think kale pants, yabo. Yeah. My real names
Names. Okay.
Full names. Okay. Yes, name and surname.
And ulbiza nalela.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. My full names Tiamo Mthembu and the name where I got the name Percy So basically I was a soccer player. Nani has like yeah. I've been playing soccer.
Okay.
Those who know. When I've long like young and stuff, it's fine. Let me continue. So yeah, Percy is just a boy who grew up playing soccer, and yeah, that's why I got the name Percy. From Percy Tau, you understand?
Ooh,
and then Sasusu Tau, Sabigale,
Percy what?
About Percy, and then yeah, I've been playing soccer, and then there's Chivo, you know, I'm a vibey person, you see, so. I used to watch people dancing there. Now those battles. So yeah, I fell in love with listening to music, dancing and stuff. And then wonke umuntu bekasaqala ungibiza ngoPhesi yabo.
Okay.
And most of the people don't even know ukuthi my real name is Thiamo yabo.
Okay.
So I decided ukuthi okay, yeah, then people told me I must open my social media accounts and stuff, and I decided to call my name Peace, because that was the name that was already there and people knew yabo. So yeah, prefer Peace. And then yeah, yonke into yaqala, the boy trended and everything, collaborated with more people who are doing the very same thing as I do. Yeah, I met Tutu, we're dancing and stuff. And yeah, such angikwatela ngazi indaba zakhe but no sinandi such
angikwatelanga umuntu mina ntana yami
phela bese ngasashuthi but it's fine. So shoot ntana ngasabi sonke.
Oh ntana sengibuzeke. Okay, so what made you to stop playing soccer and then why are you dancing? Like yini into uyibone ku dancing ukuthi okay soccer izoma kancane ithi ngiyeke ku dancing.
Ntana yabona ni soccer ni soccer ntana I loved soccer brani.
Okay.
But then dance started, you see, and then everything was fast on the dancing side yabo. And the soccer Polinda wala chulukisana ubuye ukuchuluko yabo. And shusayilanga yabo. And these things of abo sunscreen isn't this
bona manje sengibonile lapha ntana yami ukuthi hayi
but then I'm still playing soccer, but not like back then. I'm no longer consistent because I'm always busy. It's school, it's soccer, it's dancing. So one had to die and had a soccer. Yeah.
Okay, so how do you stay creative and active at the same time?
Creative and active. Okay. Active, like nothing. You see, when you do something you love, you'll be consistent on it.
Obvious.
Always post and everything. So that's how I'm active. Then on the creative side, I can say that I'm a person who's always willing to learn, explore more. I'm not like in a small circle. I'm ready to explore, learn new things. I'll go from this hip hop to the hip hopist. You can teach me.
Okay.
I'm willing to learn. That's how I become creative, and also my personality works for me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So Percy.
Sure.
What is role model yakho ntana?
Role model? I don't have one. Nah. For real, I don't have a role model. Like I don't wanna lie.
That's a good thing also.
I don't have a role model. I'm my own role model, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yini moment.
Moment.
Okay, like
any moment.
Mantana man. Like pizza. Like okay. What's your like favorite performance?
Best moment. Best moment. You remember last year when we went to Dubai? That was my best moment. I won't lie, bro. Yo, I felt like angazi, bro. Like I didn't believe it. Yeah, now entering Dubai level, you see, those long flights hours.
Okay.
Yeah. Kwabona ulale plane uvukele khona. That's the best.
Ungakhathali ntana. Ungakhathali. Kuyashisa phela lapha eDubai.
No, bekushisa ne, but then it was nice. And the lento esibuye nayo, it was worth it.
Obvious.
Because we rehearsed for whole 2 weeks, no rest. But it's after school, rehearse. You see, then came out second place. Yeah, competing with over 15 countries, 15 plus countries. And came out second place.
That was scary, hey?
Shout out.
That was scary, sure.
Yeah, shout out. So that was my best moment.
Okay, ntana, since uqedile ngesikolo ne. Since uqedile ngesikolo, like how's life? Like kunjani?
Life is lifing, bro. Yabona since I finished with school, life is lifing, bro. Life is nice. Life is okay. You can take English.
Yeah,
since I'm done with school, bro, everything is nice. Cruising nice. Span waking. So yeah.
Don't you miss high school?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Probably after 2 years, but not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, like okay, I want CPC ne. and they called you and said, okay, we want you to come, what.
Yes.
How did you feel? That first phone call you got, they said you must come there.
Ish.
And yeah, how did you start? Like, I'll also tell you my side.
CPC.
Yeah, like, how did you start? Like, who, like, okay, who called? Okay, when you got there, who were you with? About how was everything? You've been shooter, how was the shoot and everything?
Ish. Like, being honest, getting the call from CPC was like a blessing to me. Yo, like, ish, guys, like in Kulelekas and then as it's not that easy. So like going ukuya CPC, ish. Like bokuyi dream come true. Yangithola. Nakhona ukuthi okay. Nokuthi ngiyajiva, at least bakhona abantu bebasupporta like yabo.
Career.
Yes. So like yeah, it was the best moment also. And we are CPC, guys. CPC is my favorite school.
Sure.
And ngathini.
Shout out CPC.
CPC. And yeah, everything's going well. CPC bangiphathe kahle and all of that. Yeah.
Everyone, management.
Yeah. Like also meeting different people. Yabona ukuhlala nabantu abangani bakho also. Sure. And them being your sisters, yabo, it's nice.
The bond is strong.
Yo, mara intenzima ukuthi like funeke ube independent. Like funeke so mama phela, so mama akho wena. Oh, akekho umuntu okuthuthuzelayo othi mntanami sikwashele ini uyazwashela yonke into like it's on
but
you.
It's a good thing.
It is.
Ukuthi now like mhla ushada the day you get married. Like, when he comes back from work, it
is though, yeah.
Sure.
So, how was it? Like,
I mean, it was nice, but I won't lie. Shout out CPC. Hey, it was nice, bro. Getting the call, dancing there, meeting you all.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
when I knock off
this. Yeah. Then you got me there, you know. It was nice. Yeah, meeting about to collaborating, about teaching each other, learning from each other, collaborating, growing. Not
with each other.
Individual. All of us, we're growing. And yeah, shout out to CPC. That's great. Even in the school, shout out Christian Progressive College.
Yeah,
they gave us.
I'm like massive honest. Like I beg abanye abantu like abangayenza the same thing there into ICPC.
Yeah, I beg, bro.
CPC.
CPC Mpana ish, one love. That's our home, bro.
Yeah, that's our home.
Yeah, shout out to CPC. So to someone there at home watching this video, like Muntom inspire the young to watching this about. So what would you tell them about like advice on abanika it's okay, Mzala, this, that, waka about
guys, don't give up, keep on going and says isikhathi sakho yabo ungarashi izinto like don't isikhathi sakho siyeza and ungavoneli abanye abantwana hlepela like shayela umunye umuntu izandla yabo makuyisikhathi sakhe yeah
sofika
nathi silulile lapho yabo but we keep on like being happy for abanye abantwana yangithola
so yeah you say God's timing is better than what timing.
Yeah, and keep on praying, guys.
Yeah,
so izinto zakho zohamba kahle.
Yeah, pray.
God first.
How is it to be young and famous? Yeah.
Nothing. It's cool, guys. Like it's
cool.
Yeah, like I'm used to it and nothing. I love being famous also. I love being with other people,
Sure. Meeting new faces.
Yes, and seeing new faces every day.
Yeah, being young and famous, bruh. It's nice, I won't lie. It's nice, but then it also has its disadvantages.
Yes.
Sometimes as a person, like now, like nothing is just have your own personal space.
You're from school,
you're tired. It's a lot of work. But then, yeah, hey, the rewards are worth it. I won't lie.
Yes.
And then, yeah, like, yeah. It's normal, bruh. Now we used to it.
It's normal, but then it's difficult also.
Yeah. It's difficult if you can't multitask.
Yeah.
Well,
If you can't
and
balance.
if you are lazy, ish.
True.
Hey, sazobanzima for you,
Kabata.
bruh. Ish.
Kabata.
Lentwana ne. Ish. Obviously. Kanje ngifuna ukubuzana ntana.
Buza ntwana yami.
Kanje ngifuna ukubuzana. Ish. Okay, I see mine. So
Okay.
when I can do for
When I was telling about like the young you.
and then I did say I was playing soccer and everything.
No, like ukuthi advice umupha yona.
You didn't ask that question.
Okay, I'm asking now. What would you what would you say to like umuntu
the young
obukele
person
lapha?
watching over there?
Yes.
The push. There's nothing as luck or okay, luck is there.
Okay.
But then you have to put in the work in order for you to be there. And also don't compare yourself with someone else. Because you'll put pressure on yourself. So when stick to your own lane, 0% pressure, sayenza lento. And yeah, omunye umuntu makaphumelela, uthi makakuthenga indlu, yamalalise ungamdlela umona, yabo? Ungamdlela umona, be happy for the girl or anyone else who umazi and stuff, yabo? When isikhathi sakho siyeza, yabo? You don't know what God is planning for you, bruh. Yabo? Maybe it might be bigger than your expectations. Yabo? So when stay consistent and grind more and never give up. So yeah, to the young people watching over there.
Okay. So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
And you see that question. To be honest, Nendan, I come to us in the next 5 years. Where would you see yourself? Okay, Exas was born next week was born
good.
Next month was
Good day.
So little question it's a bit tricky, but then I can say I see myself more successful. That's what I can see.
Okay.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I'm seeing myself being like Tyler. Hey, more yeah.
That's a dream big one,
yeah.
Yes.
Like ngizibona ngikude mina
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo kakhulu futhi.
Amantwana yabona potential ntana. You can do this, man. You can do this.
So wena ntwana like ngibuzile le question ukuthi like ubalance kanjani since ivele uphumile esikolweni.
Oh, no, wangibuza yona hle.
No. No, ngiyabuza obviously I'm also interested.
Okay. Interested. Okay, sharp. You see, the time I was in high school, what I used to do when it was time, this thing is simple. When it's time for dancing, you dance. When it's time for schoolwork, it's time for schoolwork. And if it latches,
phela wena ntwana awusekho ku high school phela manje.
No, I need to refer.
Okay.
From last year or the past what years. How was I coping and balancing the equation? Understand? Yeah, I think it's like when school and dance clash, school comes first, yes, if you are from a black household, you know, baba.
Ish. Caring.
Otherwise, you'll take your phone, see.
So, Aibo.
Yo, baba, bangathatha the phone mama smart talk.
Yo.
Ntwana wena.
Yazi I told the phone yakho the whole week.
Ntwana kuyanyiwa ntwana. Unambuzo?
Mina ntwana yami into engizokubuza yona ukuthi like yini ama challenges owafacile while you becoming uphesi?
My challenge?
Yeah.
I can't say I faced my challenges because of me now. I'm a reserved person, and I'm just a chilled guy. I was just observing everything, and angizifakeli pressure mina.
Okay, yeah.
So I can't say I had challenge. Abantu challenge, abantu abasuke ba overthinker ukuthi why mina this thing ingayenzakali kimi, why lona kuhlezi kuye kwenzakala so. Nah, me I don't have those thoughts or those things. I know my potential, but I know what I'm capable of. So yeah, I didn't have any challenges. I won't lie. I'm fucking mama.
Okay. Like, how do you feel like it's like when I inspire abanye abantu yabo ngaphandle
Sure.
and bafuna ukuba just like Percy.
Sure.
And okay, I wouldn't say copying, but yes,
Sure,
copying
sure,
your
sure.
style and all of that. How do
Sure.
you feel?
And to be honest, me I feel great. I won't lie,
Okay.
because
Yabonisa
yeah,
ukuthi
it
uyenza
also shows me
something.
like my work speaks for me, bruh. You
Okay.
see, if someone else there wants to be like Pace, it means I'm a great or positive impact to the youth.
Obvious.
Yeah, yeah, about my young sensational.
Ooh, okay.
So yeah, I think yeah, Joe, I'm feeling like as a good guy, which like okay, khona umuntu obukela kimi. It means my work speaks for me. Njengoba sengishilo, yabo. And
Okay.
yeah, bafethu khulu okuzayo, yabo.
Hey.
And into emnandi ukuthi I'm not just a dancer, yabo. Fashion wise,
Okay. I see. If fashion, I see with designs. What?
I'm fashion model. No,
Okay.
I'm no longer a dancer.
How is it, Bella? Like,
fashion model, man. It's nice, bro. Even the money there is nice. Everything is nice. Okay, let me give you an advice, man. Don't stick on one thing. Don't dance. Do something else, bro.
Be different.
Yeah. I saw okay, people love my styling of clothing and what. And it worked for me. I worked with big brands like Jet, which I never expected.
Yeah.
You see. So yeah, anything might come up, bro.
Okay.
Do what you love. And what you love will do the most for you.
Yes.
So you saw good CPC is trending. The rumors, waka. So like how did it touch you or how did it make you feel? And is it true now, Leantolia, or when you are just surprised or like what's going on?
Me being honest, not me being surprised,
Sure,
but then I had mixed emotions. I don't know how to feel about it also.
Sure.
Ngoba how kanjani sifikeleni lapho?
Because you don't know anything about it. Sure.
Yes, and futhi makungakhuluma kuzoba kuthiwa maybe hayi babatshelile ukuthi bathini and stuff. Yabo?
Sure.
Izinto ezinjalo. But then, guys, we do face challenges, yabo?
Sure.
So it's fine. Izodlula and all of that, but yeah.
Mbokodo.
And I feel like
to be honest, like I didn't take that thing serious, bro. Because I knew it was lies and stuff. I don't remember the contract thing. Me as the first member of the CPC Stars and whatever. I've never seen any contract being signed or my mom signing anything. I don't remember anything. So when I saw the videos trending, those clips from the podcasts and stuff, I didn't take it into my mind. So I can't say I had mixed emotions or what. I didn't even doubt myself or think twice about the school because I knew everything.
Yeah.
Last year I matriculated. I have my matric certificate. It's accredited by values. So whatever, people will always talk. Not everyone is hip about that, about the school and everything. Because I won't lie, CPC changed a lot of kids' lives and stuff. Because there are some kids there who can't afford school fees.
True.
But then they got their bursaries and everything.
True.
Which most of the schools are failing to do.
What we love.
Bashilo bathi abanye babajavi ama-assembly babayise office. But then the CPC they promoting the South African art.
Mina ngidlulile lapho mangijive assembly kuba into wrong kanjani.
But then CPC gave you the opportunity and the platform to showcase your talent to the world. And now you are who you are because of the school, and now people are appreciating the school. But then bashilo bafethu bathi ngeke bakuthande bonke and stuff. But then
shout out to CPC guys.
Shout out to Christian. Sibonge. Dango.